Sleeping with onions in your socks. Does anybody truly believe that sleeping with onions in your socks has any health benefits? Well, stay tuned, because in this video, you will learn things that may convince you otherwise. A good number of people around the world swear by keeping onions at the soles of their feet overnight. This stems from the ancient alternative medicine practice of foot reflexology. Practitioners of reflexology believe that different points on the feet correspond to other parts of the body. In stimulating an area of a foot, you provide health effects to its corresponding parts. Similarly, putting onions on your feet will help stimulate the connected parts of the body. But whether you believe in reflexology or not, the practice of using onions on your feet makes sense. The foot is home to tens of thousands of nerves. The pungent properties of onions should be able to stimulate all those nerves and offer remarkable advantages to the body. Additionally, when absorbed through the skin, the body can gain the scientifically proven benefits of onions. No matter what you believe, here are 5 benefits of sleeping with onions in your socks. 1. Antibiotic and antimicrobial. Onion extracts have potential antibiotic properties. This is perhaps the reason why many practitioners of traditional medicine use it to get rid of common illnesses like the flu or cough. By putting onions on the soles of your feet, your body absorbs the onion's phytochemicals. According to a study published by the Critical Reviews in Food Science and Nutrition, these phytochemicals are both antibiotic and antimicrobial. 2. Anti-asthmatic. In a 2014 study led by researchers from Pakistan's National Institute of Food Science and Technology, onions were cited for their potent anti-asthmatic effects. Onions have long been used as a natural treatment for respiratory illnesses, including asthma. While you shouldn't count on it to recover from an attack, it helps minimize your risk of triggering one. 3. Antiplatelet and antithrombotic activity. For people who have or are at risk of heart disease and stroke, monitoring platelet activity is critical. In fact, many heart patients require maintenance medicines that inhibit platelet activity. In the same study by Pakistan's National Institute of Food Science and Technology, onions were cited as a functional food with remarkable antiplatelet and antithrombotic effects. Because of this, they help reduce the incidence of heart disease and stroke. 4. Anti-carcinogenic. In 2015, a group of researchers based in Italy studied the antioxidant effects of onions. They found that the phenolic compounds found in onions, the same ones that you would absorb through the skin when you sleep with onions in your socks, help fight cancer. Like other proven antioxidants, onions suppress the proliferation of carcinogens and inhibits tumor growth. 5. Anti-diabetic. In a preliminary study published by Environmental Health Insights in 2010, researchers found that onions have incredible hypoglycemic effects. That means it can support proper balance of glucose level in people with diabetes. Additionally, an animal study conducted in 2012 showed that onions have potential benefits in helping diabetes patients control their weight. These 5 benefits of sleeping with onions in your socks are rooted in both traditional medicine and scientific research. Although it might seem a little odd, there's no harm in trying it. Apart from having no adverse side effects, it's an incredibly cheap natural remedy for good health and one that's worth trying.